Welcome. Let's demystify web hosting. We'll explore VPS, shared, and cloud options. Are you confused about web hosting? You're not alone. This video will clarify the differences. Web hosting is where your website lives online. It's the space on a server that stores your site's files. There are three main types: shared, VPS, and cloud. Each offers different resources and levels of control. Shared hosting is the most basic. You share a server with other websites, making it cost-effective. With shared hosting, resources like CPU and RAM are divided among all users on the server. Shared hosting is affordable but has limited resources, great for beginners. Shared hosting is best for blogs or small websites with low traffic and basic needs. VPS hosting gives you a virtual private server, offering more resources and control than shared hosting. A VPS is a dedicated portion of a server. You get your own resources and operating system. VPS hosting is more powerful and flexible, but also more expensive and requires technical knowledge. VPS hosting is ideal for growing businesses and websites with moderate traffic and resource needs. Cloud hosting uses multiple servers, providing scalability and high availability for your website. In cloud hosting, your site is hosted on a network of servers, not just one. This allows for more flexibility and uptime. Cloud hosting is highly scalable and reliable, but can be the most expensive option. Cloud hosting is best for large websites, e-commerce, and applications with high traffic and demanding needs. To summarize, each hosting type caters to different needs and budgets. Choose wisely. Let's look at the key differences between these hosting options side by side. Consider your website's needs, budget, and technical expertise when choosing the right hosting.